Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a 2024 Premier 270 Intrigue. So 27-foot tri-tune right here. Starting up at the bow, we do have our flip-up cleats, docking lights, and running lights. We have the black paneling and the midnight rails, which looks great together. And as we walk down the side of the boat here, we do have an electric bimini top. And then on the stern of the boat, we do have our safety railing right here so that you can ride back to your underway legally. Ski tow bar, and this is powered by a Mercury 400 Verado V10, so tons of power when you're out in the water. And then also our underwater lighting. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. So starting on the stern of the boat here, I mentioned this on the exterior, but you have your safety railing so that you can legally have passengers ride back here when you're underway. This is the RL layout, so rear lounger. Few different configurations right here. Now it's in the upright position. You can also fold this down into a complete sun pad. So it's a great design by Premier. As we walk into the cockpit area, we have tons of room on the boat. This is rated for 20 passengers, so you're going to be able to bring all your friends and family when you're out in the water. We do have our captain and co-captain seating, both of which are going to be a high back seat right here. They do swivel and adjust. And at the helm, this is going to be all fiberglass right here. Spot to charge your phone. We do have the 12-inch SIMRAD, so you're going to be able to do all your navigation, chart plotting. Everything's going to be super accessible here at the helm. On the right-hand side here, starboard side, we do have our cup holder that keeps your drink cold. And again, this is powered by a 400 Verado, so you do have your digital throttle and shift. Right here underneath this compartment and in-floor storage is going to be a spot for a cooler. You can push a button at the helm and the cooler is going to be able to raise up. Great feature. And then also maximizing that third pontoon right here. We do have a lot of in-floor storage. So you can put all your belongings, your cover, table, things like that are going to be able to fit right down here. And then at the bow of the boat, a lot of seating all the way around. This does have a bow filler cushion, which is really nice. And then across the boat, you're going to have storage underneath all the seats. Again, this is a 2024 Premier 270 Intrigue. It's located here in Rogers. Come on by and take a look. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.